Hello and welcome to our channel Jora Vlogs. Today this video is going to be about making of chicken kebab. So we are not using any sachet that you get in the stores like ready-made chicken kebab powder. So we're going to use different ingredients, starting off with curd, corn flour, tandoori masala, chaat masala, cumin powder and ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt and MSG just for taste. Once in a while is fine. I'm using 2 kilos of chicken, and not to forget 1 egg for it to bind. Okay, so let's get in and see how it comes out. So starting off, I'm not going to add the chicken in the beginning. So first I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. I'm going to make my masala ready. So I'm adding about 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Little bit of turmeric powder. This is chaat masala. I'm using little, don't use too much. So chaat masala and cumin powder, just about half spoon. Yeah, half teaspoon, not much, because you will get a kind of bitter flavor out of it. You add cumin. Forgot to mention red chili powder, and if you want a good vibrant color you can add color. I'm not adding color as of now. So I've added cumin powder, and in goes the tandoori powder. This is very important, so you can add this about 3 spoons. So I'm just going to drop it in like this. And I'm going to add the corn flour at the end, so that will help you bind. If you add corn flour right now, it will make your masalas very thick. So let us add it in the beginning, at the end, sorry. So I'm going to add 1 egg. Just crack open it. If you want to use any of your tools to crack open it, you can. I always use my finger to break it. Add curd. So I have about 3/4. I think this is sufficient. Say about 200 grams of curd for about 2 kgs of chicken. Don't add too much of curd. So yeah. I'm going to add chili powder. You can add Kashmiri chili powder. That will give you a good vibrant color. Added about 3 spoons of chili powder, and this is Kashmiri chili powder, which gives you a good vibrant red color. This adding of chili powder depends on your spice level, how much you need it. So you can add that. And I'm squeezing half a lime. Okay. If you don't have lime, you can add vinegar. Even vinegar, this is nothing but to just make your chicken juicy and tender. That's the reason you add lime, and also gives you a kind of good flavor. The lime gives you good flavor whenever you add with any kind of dish. So now I have my masalas ready. I'm gonna add chicken into this, and then add corn flour later, as like I mentioned. Here it goes into the masala. So I've added all of the masalas in. I'm gonna add salt right now. 1 and 2. Salt according to the taste. Make sure that you don't add too much of salt. If it is less, we can add even more according to the taste. Okay. And I'm gonna add one bunch of curry leaves. Curry leaves will give you a good flavor to your meat when you fry it. This is enough, just one handful. And now I'm gonna add corn flour. Again, corn flour, you can see the level. It has to be thick enough. If you want, you can add color to it to make it look red. And I'm going to add some MSG to this. It enhances the flavor. Don't add too much. Just this much, a little, like 1 spoon is more than enough. I usually avoid MSG, but just to get extra flavor you can add once in a while is fine. Okay, so we're not going to add too much of corn flour. If not, you'll feel that batter, too much of batter when you fry your chicken. But you can see how liquidy it was. So once you add corn flour, you can see the masala. A little more of corn flour. I feel there should be a little more. What you can do is, once you have this set for some time, you can just fry one piece, check if the salt level is fine, the spice level is fine, or if you want to add some more of tandoori masala to it, you can just check once you are frying. So that's when, then later on you can do the entire frying. So I'm going to add a little bit of tandoori masala. Should do. So now we're gonna have this set for about 4 hours. It will tenderize your chicken and you'll get good flavor. The masalas will get into your chicken nice. It will marinate, it will coat well. Yes. So this is it, guys. So I'm gonna let this marinate for about 4 hours. And I'm gonna get back to you guys after 4 hours once I fry and check how it is gonna be. I think I might add a little bit of color, red color, if I have. If not, I'm just gonna fry it just like that. So let's see. Yeah. Bye. Hi guys. So I have marinated the kebabs for about 4 hours now. As you can see, I've added extra color to it. It's red and vibrant. And I've kept the flame on medium high. I have the oil in. I have the flame on medium high. The oil is nice and hot. So with medium high we're gonna fry so that it doesn't burn the chicken, and as well as it will cook the chicken well. Okay, so let's drop in a couple of pieces first, a few pieces. Let's see if everything is fine. Yeah. Okay, so let me fry this and get back to you guys after the rest of the batches. You can see the color, it's really good and it's frying. Alright, our chicken is almost cooked, as you can see. So I'm not going to cook too much. I need to have that juiciness retained in the chicken. Okay. As you all can see, perfect chicken kebab without any instant mix. So I'm gonna drain excess of oil out of it. Alright guys, so let's see in the tasting video. So I'm gonna just fry the rest of the batches down and get back to you. Our kebabs are cooked. It's nice and soft, as you can see. It's steaming hot. Okay, you can see how tender and nice juicy it is. Perfectly cooked. The masala is really good. The chicken is soft and tender after marinating for that way for about 4 hours, as you can see. Very soft and tender. I recommend everyone to try this at home, and it's really amazing. And you can add a little chaat masala if you need, for it to taste a little better, if you like a lot of chaat masala flavor. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this alone. I'm not gonna share it to anyone. And please like, share, subscribe our channel. Hope you like the video. And hit the bell icon. Even if you don't like the video, please subscribe and share, like it. Thank you. Bye.